If you're serious about car detailing, especially when it comes to perfecting those intricate and often neglected areas like A-pillars, grills, and other tight spots, then you might want to pay close attention to what I'm about to dive into today. We're looking at the Griot Garage B2KIT Boss 2-inch Orbital Conversion Kit, a game-changer for anyone using the 3 random orbital buffer. The premise of this kit is pretty straightforward but highly effective. It allows you to convert a 3 random orbital into a more precise 2 version. Why does this matter? The smaller 2-inch pads provide a more concentrated approach to buffing, which is crucial when dealing with severe defects that need detailed attention. Let's talk about the mechanics and benefits here. By reducing the pad size from 3-inch to 2, the pad's rotation speed is increased. This is not just a trivial increase in speed, it significantly enhances the tool's ability to remove defects and scratches more efficiently. When you're working on sections of your car where precision is non-negotiable, this increased speed means quicker and more effective defect removal without sacrificing quality. One of the standout features of this kit, which I found particularly impressive, is how these smaller 2-inch pads are designed not to bog down under load. This is crucial because, during intense detailing sessions, maintaining consistent performance of the pad can make or break the finish you're aiming for. It's all about control and precision with this kit, which Griot's Garage seems to have nailed perfectly. Included in the kit is a backing plate. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.